Okay, what you need to do, there is a different process of de-skinning it, deboning it, okay, jointing it. Now here what we need to do, already we de-skinned it, so now we need to joint it. Now the first step which you need to do is to make sure that this portion here, from here you need to cut it. This is winglet. Okay, these portions you need to cut it from here and then you just twist it out. This leg is there, take it and twist it. Okay, these portions you can see these portions.
Yes, sir.
The bone portions. Okay, so these portions we need to take it out. Now from here just give a cut and make sure that it cut from the bone, the half part. Okay, this is the joint from where it need to cut. So this is the one. The other side also the same, you need to do the same. Cut in the same way. These all are the excess fat which you need to cut, and this needs to be thrown out. We don't require it. So this is our leg part. Now this is the carcass and this is the breast place which we need to separate. Now what we need to do, from here we need to cut it, the backbone. So from here just give a slit, from here just give a slit and keep your finger in between this, just tear it from the between. So here what you are getting now is chicken carcass. And this is a breast part. Okay, now from breast part here you can cut it. Just keep it side. Now this breast part you need to cut into half. This can be deboned or can be kept it like that. Okay. Now from here, from this part we need to cut it. The in between part is there. You need to just give a slit. Okay. Now if you want to see it, this is a breast part. And the inside there is one more portion, it's coming like this. You can see it. Same as like breast. Okay, this is a breast and this is the inner part. Same as like breast. This is known as supreme. So now you have breast, carcass, okay, and here see joint, what we call it as drumstick, you call it as joint. Okay, this all fat should be removed, not required actually. From here, see, make sure these portions need to be cut. These portions need to be cut from here. Okay, so just give a slit, cut it from. This is a thigh portion, this is a drumstick. This is what you use for preparation of lollipops.
Yes, sir.
You go there, you eat. Yes. How many? How much they give?
Until stomach.
Number of, until it got empty. So this
Thigh.
got this? So this is what a sort of jointing, how you need to do it. And then after this is boned. Boneless also we should be doing. Okay, we have to do boneless also. So how boneless need to be done, that we will be doing into next classes. How you will be doing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.